We're changing the shape of the future with the Galaxy Z Flip, as I'd call it, the Z Flip. And smartphones are a part of our everyday lives, but this is no ordinary smartphone. It changes everything. Our phone's shape, size, and the very way we use it. That's what innovation, true innovation, is all about. The Galaxy Z Flip is a statement smartphone. It's for trendsetters and trailblazers. It's like nothing you've ever experienced before, in a new, perfectly compact form factor. This device is an icon, a standout smartphone for people who want to stand out. And it all starts with a playful, premium design. Let me show you. The ultimate immersive experience for the ultimate smartphone. And the color is just as stunning. Look at how it gleams whether I keep the phone open or closed. The Galaxy Z Flip comes in 3 gorgeous colors: mirror purple, mirror black, and in select countries, mirror gold. Ooh, you like that one? These stylish colors change when the light hits them, so you'll always be catching attention and turning heads. And when closed, it lets you disconnect without missing out. You can check the time, get notifications of a text, alarm, or a call. All the essentials are right there on the cover display. You can even take a selfie without opening up the phone. Just hold out the rear camera and use the cover screen as a viewfinder. With this phone, we've done the impossible and created ultra-thin glass that folds. Now, you might think that a foldable glass would be brittle, but this glass is built to last, and it protects your screen from scratches. It's so durable, you can fold and unfold your phone over 200,000 times. Now, every time you fold it, you're not just bending glass, you're bending the laws of physics. You can see for yourselves, this phone and its display are like nothing ever made before. Unfolded, the Galaxy Z Flip puts entertainment in your hands with a cinematic screen, and with the world's first hole-punch camera in a foldable display, you get the same sprawling, expansive screen you've come to expect from Galaxy smartphones. And as an added bonus, we're giving Galaxy users access to YouTube Premium. Ooh! So, it's beautiful when it's closed, it's beautiful when it's open, but what about everything in between? We built a freestop hinge so it can stay open at different angles, just like your laptop. We call it Flex Mode. In Flex Mode, you get a new kind of smartphone experience. Your screen is split into 2 parts, a viewing area and an interaction area. And we optimize some of your favorite apps for this, so they'll automatically adjust. For example, if you're watching YouTube and you want to leave a comment, you can watch on the top half of your screen and comment on the bottom. You can even prop your phone up by itself and video chat or take a selfie, hands-free. So open the camera app, and ready? Cheese! Let's see if my eyes are actually open in this one. So go down to the, open the gallery app, and you'll see I can scroll across the bottom half of the screen where some of my other pictures are saved. So here you'll see there's more of animals than there are of people, but that's just my life. You can see for yourselves, we custom-built a whole new mobile experience to take advantage of this unique form factor. And Flex Mode changes the boundaries of what's possible. Just imagine you'd be able to take a night hyperlapse video without a tripod, like the one you see here. We push mobile engineering to its limits to create this device, and none of it would have been possible without our new one-of-a-kind hideaway hinge. Oh yes, the hinge is the backbone of any folding phone. It quite literally holds the whole thing together, and it also prevents particles like dust and sand from getting into the phone and damaging the display. Now that's because folding phones have a tiny, tiny gap between the hinge and the device. We created a layer of fibers inside that tiny gap to keep the particles out. This secure fiber shield protects your phone, so you can make the most of this revolutionary technology. We are so proud of the Galaxy Z Flip. It is a unique piece of technology, one that changes the smartphone experience entirely.